Welcome to this impressive heavy lift operation, where we'll witness the lifting, transportation and loading of a massive offshore platform onto a barge using Self-Propelled Modular Transporters (SPMT). The SPMT will have many wheels and which will be joined according to the load to be carried, and that will be calculated and lifting engineer will advise, and it will be synchronized with one control to the operator. Once it's joined required segments of the SPMT, who will carry complete operation with the support of signaling personnels. Now visualize, the SPMT is moving towards the load which needs to be lifted and carried towards the barge vessel. Once all the settings completes, the load will be weighed to confirm the calculated and actual weight of the platform. Once weighing process completed, the heavy load will start moving towards the barge vessel. For more information, the offshore platform, weighing over 5,600 tons, requires precise planning and execution. The SPMTs are assembled and positioned underneath the platform, and this operations to be carried out by experts, as they need to look many parameters on SPMT as well on the vessel to stabilize the load. The SPMTs, with their hydraulic systems and advanced steering, slowly transport the platform to the barge. The modular design allows for precise control and flexibility during the move. The platform is carefully aligned with the barge, and the barge should be properly secured in place. Mooring lines are attached to ensure stability during transport. The platform is secured to the barge, and the vessel begins its journey to its destination. Tugboats assist with maneuvering and navigation. This complex operation showcases the capabilities of SPMTs in heavy lift transportation. The successful loading of the offshore platform onto the barge marks the beginning of its journey to serve the energy industry. Now visualize that the vessel is ready, loaded with the platform and ready for sailing. The port-operated tugboats will support the vessel until it crosses the port limits. Thanks for watching the video, and for more heavy lift and transportation videos, please subscribe the channel.